Best individual sauna. Number 1. Vol Leben Individual Sauna. The zippers are two-way zippers, which can be opened from the inside at any time. Zippers for hands let you put out your hands to read when doing sauna. The portable sauna for home provides 9 heating levels adjustable between 1 to 50 minutes. The newest 2.5 liters capacity steam pot has timer and power adjustment function, anti-dry, automatic power stop protection. 1000W, 22V power can be used anywhere, very safe to use. Healthy experience. You can add a few drops of essential oil to the water tank. After 5 minutes of preheating, a sufficient steam was generated, so that a large amount of sweat flowed out, comfortable and healthy.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 2. Ivivta Individual Sauna. 3 transparent window gives you a whole open view, and the front removable window can be opened directly to breathe fresh air when you feel uncomfortable. Our full-size sauna room is a great gift for your partner, friends, families on birthday, Thanksgiving, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas and other festivals. Steam tent is made of high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is so easy to clean. 304 stainless steel steamer lining is resistant to high temperature and corrosion. Hot air glue at the bottom is leak-proof. Steam tent adopts high-quality thermal insulation fabric to prevent heat loss and is easy to clean.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 3. Euk Individual Sauna. Portable steam sauna spa set. Employ double-sided zipper allows you to enter and exit without difficulty. You can use it with your friend or family, and enjoy full-body sauna spa or only foot spa as you like. Easy to operate, humanized, saving space design. Foldable sauna tent, easy to store and carry. 9 adjustable temperature levels. Sauna therapy can reduce weight, improve skin tone, relieve stiffness and joint pain, promote a more restful sleep and reduce stress. The personal sauna adopts durable waterproof fur fabric, effectively gathering the heating steam. Put your remote controller or your phone in the hidden pockets to get the convenience, which firmly locks the temperature.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 4. Cos Valve Individual Sauna. The steam sauna is made of high-quality ultrasonic pressed cotton fabric. Heat insulation, highly sealed, can effectively prevent heat loss. High-quality stainless steel pipe, rust-resistant and durable, strong stability, not easy to deformation, has long service life. The portable steam sauna has a capacity of 4 liters steam pot and can be used for 120 minutes when filled with water. Steam can fill the whole sauna tent 360 degrees in a short time. Provides 18 heating levels automatic power off protection. Very safe to use.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Number 5. Nordic Individual Sauna. The steam produced by our spa promotes body detoxification, aids in weight loss, stress and fatigue relief, lowers inflammation, clears up skin, rejuvenates muscles, soothes achy joints, boosts serotonin, strengthens immune system, improves circulation and more. Our eco-friendly, high-powered steamer is the most powerful on the market, delivering the potent health benefits of everyday sauna use to you faster. Do you love a good sweat in a steam room or sauna, but don't have the money or time to commute to expensive wellness centers? Our affordable portable spa allows you to enjoy a spa-quality sweat every day.
For current prices and discount, check links in the description box.
Like, comment, subscribe our YouTube channel.